That bottle of castor oil sitting on your nightstand is not the problem. The real problem is how most people are using it. Almost every beauty influencer telling you to apply it straight onto your skin is leaving out important information. Night after night, people coat their face with thick layers of cold-pressed castor oil, believing their skin is absorbing all the benefits while they sleep. But the reality is very different. Castor oil has a very high molecular weight, which means it struggles to move past the outer layer of the skin. Instead of penetrating deeply, most of it stays sitting on the surface. While it sits there overnight, it can trap sweat, dirt, oil, and bacteria against the skin. By morning, many people wash it off thinking it nourished their skin, when in reality it may never have reached the deeper layers where collagen and elasticity are actually supported. A few months ago, I met a 76-year-old woman whose skin immediately caught my attention. Her skin looked firmer and healthier than many people decades younger. She hadn't done cosmetic treatments, injections, or expensive skin procedures in years. But she had consistently used castor oil for nearly a decade, with one major difference. She never used it by itself. She combined it with 5 specific ingredients that helped improve absorption and allowed the mixture to reach deeper into the skin where real repair processes happen. The skincare industry is worth billions, and many companies rely on consumers constantly buying expensive creams and serums. Yet some simple ingredient combinations may dramatically improve how traditional oils perform on the skin. In this video, we're going to break down all 5 ingredients, starting from the mildest and moving to the strongest. One of them can significantly improve how deeply castor oil penetrates the skin, yet very few skincare brands ever mention it openly. All references are listed below, and before we begin, comment your country below because I love seeing where everyone is watching from. Now, let's begin with number 5. Number 5. Vitamin E oil. Many people only think of vitamin E as a supplement found in capsules, but for skin health, it is considered one of the most researched natural anti-aging ingredients available. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, it blends extremely well with oils, which is exactly why it works so effectively alongside castor oil. When these two are combined, the ricinoleic acid found in castor oil may help improve absorption, allowing vitamin E to travel deeper into the skin where collagen and elasticity are supported. A study published in the Journal of Molecular Medicine in 2019 examined vitamin E use in women between 55 and 70 years old. After 8 weeks of regular application, researchers observed visible improvements in fine lines along with increased skin hydration. Those results are impressive for such a simple natural ingredient. One reason vitamin E is so valuable is because it functions as a powerful antioxidant. Free radicals created by sunlight, pollution, and daily stress can damage collagen fibers and accelerate visible aging over time. Vitamin E helps defend the skin by reducing the impact of those unstable molecules before they can contribute to collagen breakdown. However, there is one important detail most people overlook. The most beneficial form is D-alpha-tocopherol, which is the natural version. The synthetic form, D-alpha-tocopherol, has been shown in research to be significantly less effective. To make this mixture, combine 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil with 5 to 6 drops of pure vitamin E oil. Rub the blend gently between your palms for around 15 seconds so the warmth slightly activates the oils before application. Apply it to freshly cleansed, slightly damp skin at night, which is when the skin naturally enters its repair phase. Instead of rubbing aggressively, gently press the oil upward into the skin because excessive pulling may place unnecessary stress on the skin surface. With consistent nightly use, many people notice smoother and softer skin within a few weeks, while more visible improvements in skin texture often appear over longer periods. Consistency is extremely important because collagen renewal takes time, and the skin responds best to regular care. Another important tip is proper storage. Vitamin E oil should always be kept in a dark glass container away from direct sunlight because exposure to UV light can weaken its active properties. Research published in 2020 found that vitamin E exposed to light for extended periods lost a significant portion of its antioxidant strength. So keep the bottle cool, protected from light, and use it consistently. Now let's move on to the next ingredient because this one supports the skin through a completely different mechanism. Number 4. Sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is one of the most overlooked ingredients in skincare, even though the scientific evidence behind it is surprisingly strong. This oil naturally contains compounds that act as vitamin A precursors, which means the skin can gradually convert them into forms related to the same nutrient family used in many professional anti-aging treatments. Unlike stronger synthetic retinoid products that often cause redness, peeling, and irritation, sweet almond oil tends to work more gently, making it a better option for sensitive or mature skin. A clinical study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2019 evaluated women between the ages of 58 and 67 and found visible improvements in skin tone balance along with increased elasticity after consistent daily use over 12 weeks. Skin elasticity is closely connected to collagen because collagen fibers create the support structure that keeps skin firm and resilient. When collagen levels decline, skin gradually loses its ability to stay lifted and smooth. Sweet almond oil is also rich in oleic acid and linoleic acid, present in a naturally balanced ratio that benefits the skin barrier. Linoleic acid helps strengthen the outer protective layer of the skin, which is responsible for locking in moisture and defending against environmental stressors. As estrogen levels decline with age, especially after menopause, this barrier often becomes weaker, leaving the skin more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Research published in the journal Antioxidants identified oxidative stress as one of the major contributors to collagen breakdown. By supporting the skin barrier, sweet almond oil helps create conditions where collagen repair can happen more effectively without constant environmental damage interfering with the process. Another lesser-known benefit is that sweet almond oil naturally contains zinc, a mineral involved in the biological processes linked to collagen production. A 2018 study published in the European Journal of Dermatology reported that topical zinc application supported increased procollagen activity in aging skin samples. Procollagen is the early-stage material the body uses to create mature collagen fibers. To prepare this mixture, combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed sweet almond oil, then add 2 drops of pure lavender essential oil. Some research suggests lavender oil may help improve skin absorption and support relaxation during nighttime skincare routines. Apply the mixture every evening to clean skin, paying special attention to areas like the forehead, the lines around the mouth, and beneath the eyes. For the under-eye area, use your ring finger because it naturally applies the lightest pressure to delicate skin. Leave the oil blend on overnight and rinse gently in the morning using a mild cleanser. After several weeks of consistent use, many people notice smoother, brighter-looking skin, while longer-term use may help improve the appearance of elasticity and firmness. One important detail is to make sure you are using sweet almond oil specifically, not bitter almond oil. Bitter almond oil contains naturally occurring compounds that may irritate the skin and should not be used without proper professional guidance. The next ingredient may surprise you because most people would never expect it to have a connection to collagen support. Number 3. Carrot seed essential oil. This concentrated golden oil, extracted from wild carrot seeds, contains extremely high levels of beta-carotene, a natural compound the body can convert into retinoic acid, one of the most widely studied ingredients associated with collagen support in dermatology. When carrot seed essential oil is blended with castor oil, the combination becomes especially interesting because the ricinoleic acid found in castor oil may help improve penetration into the deeper layers of the skin. Research published in 2016 suggested that castor oil compounds could enhance dermal absorption, allowing active ingredients to reach skin tissue more effectively. A 2020 laboratory study published in Phytotherapy Research examined carrot seed oil extract on human skin fibroblast cells and observed a significant increase in collagen type 1 activity compared to untreated samples. Collagen type 1 is the primary form of collagen found in the skin and plays a major role in firmness, structure, and resistance to wrinkles. Carrot seed essential oil also has another unique characteristic. Some studies have suggested it may provide a mild natural UV filtering effect. While it should never replace sunscreen, this additional protective property may help reduce some of the environmental stress linked to premature collagen damage. According to research published in the New England Journal of Medicine, UV exposure is considered one of the leading causes of visible skin aging. Because of that, ingredients that both support collagen and help defend against environmental damage are often highly valued in skincare routines. The oil is also rich in carotenoids, the antioxidant compounds responsible for its deep golden color. A 2021 review published in the journal Molecules discussed how carotenoids may help reduce oxidative stress in skin tissue, which is important because oxidative stress contributes heavily to collagen breakdown over time. To prepare this blend, mix 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil with 4 to 5 drops of pure steam-distilled carrot seed essential oil. Avoid exceeding 6 drops because essential oils are highly concentrated and excessive amounts may irritate sensitive skin. Warm the mixture gently between your palms and apply it each evening after cleansing. Focus especially on areas where collagen loss is often most visible, including around the eyes, the forehead, and the jawline. One useful method is to place a warm damp cloth over the skin for a few minutes immediately after applying the oil. The gentle warmth may help improve absorption and allow the blend to spread more evenly across the skin. After several weeks of consistent nightly use, some small cosmetic studies involving carrot seed oil blends reported noticeable improvements in skin firmness and texture. Many people appreciate these natural routines because they are often far less expensive than commercial anti-aging products while still supporting healthier-looking skin. Now we are moving into even more powerful ingredients, and the next one has gained attention for effects that resemble some advanced skincare compounds. Number 2. Rosehip seed oil. Among natural oils recommended for mature skin, rosehip seed oil is one of the most respected, and the scientific interest surrounding it is remarkable. Extracted from the seeds of wild rose plants such as Rosa canina and Rosa rubiginosa, this oil contains naturally occurring trans-retinoic acid, a compound closely related to the active ingredients used in many prescription anti-aging treatments. A randomized double-blind clinical study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging in 2015 evaluated participants with visible signs of photoaging. After 8 weeks of regular use, the group using rosehip seed oil showed noticeable improvements in wrinkle appearance and skin hydration compared with the placebo group. One reason rosehip seed oil works so well with castor oil is its exceptionally high concentration of essential fatty acids, particularly linolenic acid and linoleic acid. Together, these compounds make up a large portion of the oil's structure and play an important role in maintaining healthy skin. These fatty acids contribute to the formation of ceramides, which help hold skin cells together and maintain the skin barrier. Research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology reported that ceramide production naturally declines with age, especially after menopause, which can leave the skin feeling drier and more fragile. By combining rosehip oil with castor oil, the skin receives fatty acid compounds that help support the barrier and improve moisture retention. Rosehip oil also contains galactolipids, compounds that have attracted scientific attention because of their potential role in protecting collagen from enzymatic breakdown. A 2022 study published in Biomolecules discussed how galactolipids may help reduce the activity of collagenase, the enzyme responsible for breaking down collagen fibers. This means the oil may help support collagen preservation while other active compounds encourage skin renewal. To prepare this blend, combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed organic rosehip seed oil. High-quality rosehip oil is usually deep amber or reddish-orange in color. If the oil appears extremely pale or nearly clear, it may have been overprocessed and could contain fewer active compounds. Apply the mixture every night to the face, neck, and décolletage area. The décolletage, which includes the upper chest area, often shows signs of aging early because the skin there is thinner and contains fewer oil glands. Use flat palms to gently press the oil into the skin, instead of rubbing aggressively with fingertips. Many people report smoother feeling skin within the first few weeks, while longer-term use may lead to more noticeable improvements in texture, hydration, and the appearance of fine lines. One very important detail about rosehip oil is storage. Because it oxidizes easily, it should be refrigerated after opening and ideally used within about 3 months. Oxidized oils can lose their beneficial properties and may even contribute to free radical formation instead of protecting against it. And now we come to the number 1 ingredient, the one many researchers and skincare experts consider the most powerful of them all. Number 1. Sea buckthorn oil. This is the ingredient that completely changes the conversation, and once you understand the research behind it, it becomes clear why it has gained so much attention in advanced skincare science. Sea buckthorn oil is extracted from the vibrant orange berries of the Hippophae rhamnoides plant and contains an extraordinary range of bioactive compounds. A 2021 review published in Frontiers in Pharmacology identified more than 190 active components within the oil, making it one of the most chemically diverse plant oils studied in skincare research. The compound that makes sea buckthorn oil especially valuable for aging skin is palmitoleic acid, also known as omega-7. This fatty acid is naturally present in human skin as part of its structural lipid system, but levels decline significantly with age. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2020 reported a substantial reduction in palmitoleic acid production after age 40. Sea buckthorn oil is considered one of the richest natural plant sources of omega-7, containing concentrations between 30% and 35%. When blended with castor oil, it provides the skin with lipids that closely resemble those naturally found in youthful skin tissue. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2023 studied a sea buckthorn oil formulation used by women between the ages of 55 and 72 over a 12-week period. Researchers observed significant improvements in collagen density, skin elasticity, and wrinkle appearance measured through high-resolution imaging analysis. Scientists connected these results to sea buckthorn oil's combination of omega-7 fatty acids, antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase, and its exceptionally high vitamin C content. Vitamin C plays a critical role in procollagen synthesis, which is necessary for the body to create new collagen fibers. Because castor oil may enhance penetration into the skin, combining it with sea buckthorn oil could help deliver these nutrients more efficiently to the deeper skin layers where collagen production occurs. Sea buckthorn oil also contains compounds called proanthocyanidins. Research published in Aging Cell in 2019 suggested these compounds may help support fibroblast activity in aging skin tissue. Fibroblasts are the cells responsible for collagen production, and their activity naturally slows with age. To prepare this blend, combine 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil with half a tablespoon of pure sea buckthorn berry oil. Berry oil is preferred over seed oil because it contains much higher concentrations of palmitoleic acid. The mixture will appear deep orange in color, so nighttime application is recommended since temporary staining may occur on lighter skin tones. After cleansing, apply the blend evenly across the face and neck, massaging gently upward for several minutes. Placing a warm damp cloth over the skin afterward may help improve absorption. Consistency is extremely important because collagen renewal and fibroblast activity require time. Most people begin noticing improvements in firmness and texture after several weeks of continuous nightly use, while more visible wrinkle improvements generally appear after longer periods. You can begin with the sea buckthorn and castor oil blend as a base routine, then gradually rotate in the other ingredients from this list on alternating nights to create a broader skincare protocol focused on hydration, elasticity, and collagen support. And there you have it. 6 science-supported ingredients that can transform ordinary castor oil into a far more advanced natural skincare treatment. The most important takeaway is that castor oil works best as a carrier oil rather than as a standalone solution. Pairing it with targeted active ingredients is what creates meaningful results. Choose the ingredient that interests you most, stay patient, and remain consistent for at least 8 weeks. Skin renewal takes time, but with the right support, healthy-looking skin can improve at any age. If you enjoyed this video and want more research-based natural skincare content, make sure to subscribe so you never miss upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.